Welcome to a powerful meditation journey in the heart of England's New Forest. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. Today we embark on a journey of self-discovery, transformation, and inner peace. And what better place to begin than in the breathtaking New Forest? One of England's most ancient and mystical landscapes. Despite its name, the New Forest is centuries old, dating back to the time of William the Conqueror. Spanning over 200 square miles of untamed beauty, it is a sanctuary of towering trees, flowing streams, and free-roaming wildlife. A sacred space, perfect for grounding yourself and unlocking the power of meditation. Now, take a moment to find a quiet, comfortable space where you can be completely present, free from distractions. Breathe in deeply. Hold for a moment, and breathe out, releasing all tension. Feel your body begin to soften as you prepare to immerse yourself in a deeper state of relaxation and awareness. Breathe in. Hold for a moment. And breathe out. Today's practice is special. Not only will we master the fundamentals of breathwork, relaxation, and visualization, but we will also explore some more advanced techniques that will elevate your meditation practice, helping you manifest your desires and unlock the true potential within you. Breathe in deeply. Hold for a moment and breathe out. Your comfort is the key to a profound meditation experience. Whether you sit, stand, or lie down, whatever allows you to be fully at ease. If you can, sit in a traditional meditation pose. Legs crossed, back straight, hands resting on your knees with your index finger touching your thumb. If this isn't comfortable, don't worry. What matters most is that you are relaxed and free to focus on your practice. Some people like to stretch before meditation. Others prefer a warm bath or just a few moments of quiet reflection. Find what works for you and go with it. Breathe in deeply. Hold and breathe out. To fully embrace the power of meditation, we must first become centered, a state of deep relaxation and mental clarity where your focus is drawn inward to the core of your being. When we are centered, we feel calm, grounded, and in control. When we are not, we may feel lost, overwhelmed, or disconnected from our true selves. The breath is the gateway to this state. With your eyes gently closed, inhale deeply for 4 counts. Hold for a moment, then exhale for a count of 4. When we breathe in and out each for a count of 4, like we just did, this is our neutral state. Fresh air fills our lungs and pushes oxygen around the body, providing a gentle calming effect and releasing small amounts of endorphins, the body's natural painkiller. This breath pattern guides you to relax and focus, allowing your body to release stress and tension while gently flooding your system with fresh oxygen and life energy. Inhale deeply for 4 counts. Hold for a moment, then exhale for a count of 4. With each breath, you are aligning more deeply with your higher self. Breath is not just life. It is power. With the right technique, breathwork can ignite transformation. To cultivate a deeper relaxation, continue with the 4 to 6 breath pattern, ensuring each exhale is longer than the inhale. This triggers a profound sense of calm, allowing you to sink much deeper into a meditative state effortlessly. Alternatively, if you seek energy, focus, and motivation, then we will tap into the power of dopamine breathwork. For this, you would follow a 4 to 2 breath pattern, where you inhale for 4 counts and exhale quickly, for 2 counts, as if blowing out a candle. This breathing awakens your mind, sharpens your focus, and energizes your body, preparing you to face life's challenges with confidence and clarity. We will do this at the end of this session to help waken the mind and body. But for now, let's take this journey even deeper and follow the 4 to 6 breath pattern. So breathe in deeply for a count of 4. Hold, and breathe out for a count of 6. Again, breathe in deeply for a count of 4. Hold, and breathe out for a count of 6. So breathe in deeply for a count of 4. Hold, and breathe out for a count of 6. Start to gently move your attention to the space between your eyebrows, your Ajna chakra, also known as the third eye. This is your gateway to higher wisdom, intuition, and insight. When activated, it allows you to visualize your subconscious mind, manifest intentions, and strengthen beliefs through powerful affirmations. Breathe in deeply for a count of 4. Hold, and breathe out for a count of 6. With your eyes gently closed, relax your face and focus on the sacred space between your eyebrows. Breathe in deeply for a count of 4. Hold, and breathe out for a count of 6. As you settle into this moment, you may start to notice colors, shapes, or movement behind your closed eyes. If you don't, then that's fine. This connection strengthens with time and practice. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay too. Just return to your breath, and when you're ready, refocus on your third eye. Breathe in for a count of 4. Hold, and exhale slowly for a count of 6. Now, through your third eye, do you see an image forming or a thought emerging. Hold it in your mind. Breathe in. And breathe out. Explore it with your senses. What does it look like? How does it feel? Does it have a sound, a scent, a taste? This could be a sign, a message, or an intention that deserves your focus in future meditations. It may be a positive thought that needs support, or a challenge that needs addressing, or simply a worry that needs putting to rest. Just acknowledge it for now, then gently file it away for later. Breathe in for 4 counts. Hold, and breathe out for 6 counts. Now slowly shift your awareness back to the center of your body. Feel the steady rise and fall of your breath, the rhythmic expansion and contraction of your rib cage. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out. With each breath, anchor yourself in this moment. In your body, in your inner strength, feel the deep sense of peace and balance that meditation brings. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out. Meditation is a gift to yourself, a practice that transforms your mind, body, and soul. With consistent practice, you will notice several profound shifts. Reduce stress and anxiety by calming the nervous system and lowering cortisol levels. Meditation brings a deep sense of inner peace, better sleep, and mental clarity. A quiet mind leads to restful sleep and enhanced focus throughout the day. Physical well-being. Meditation has been linked to lower blood pressure, improved cardiovascular health, and even pain reduction. Emotional resilience and stronger relationships. By improving emotional regulation, meditation enhances empathy and deepens your connections with others. You have begun a journey that has the power to change your life for the better. Now let's gently bring ourselves back. Breathe in deeply for 4 counts. Hold. Breathe out for 4 counts, returning to your neutral state. Breathe in deeply for 4 counts. Hold. Breathe out for 4 counts. Start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel your arms and legs start to gently awaken. Breathe in. Hold, and breathe out. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. Now let's get the body activated, motivated, and ready to take on the day. Breathe in for 4 counts. Then exhale quickly for 2 counts, blowing it out. Again, breathe in for 4 counts. Hold. Then breathe out quickly for 2 counts. I want to thank you for sharing this practice with me today. You've taken a powerful step towards transformation and self-mastery. I hope you have a great day. I send you all my love, all my light, and all my gratitude. Namaste. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Also, if you like the t-shirt design worn in this video, then I will leave a link in the description below. Namaste.